To all of you. Today we have to take the topic of why the game is important, which is given by the respected Pawar sir. First of all, thank you to respected Pawar sir and Eddy sir, which is giving the chance to prove us to in front of you. So now we have to take. So the Shresh will start firstly.
So, hello, topic, very warm good afternoon to all. Myself Suresh, and today's topic is given by respected Pawar sir. So, topic is that the importance of games in our life. So, in this generation, we see so many Gen Zs are addicted to the social media platforms and games also, and other online platforms. But having also that involve the games also, but some have so professional player in this era also. They daily do gaming only. Only that, and they have only to they have that skill, and they are only do that skill, work on that skill, and now this time they are in the Asia's number gaming, that's a techno gamer. Now this time that's have all the skill in their life, and that's have so talent in that person. We can see that they have all skills, means they have singer also, they are gamer also, they have rapper also, blogger also, and etc etc.
Yes, it is totally right. And it is also the main topic in this the games. Tell us which games we are playing. We are playing just cricket, football, and badminton. But this is the outdoor game. But in this Gen Z, as you told that everyone plays the online game, like the Free Fire, PUBG. This is the generation of today. But this is the also very harmful. Just as we compare to the online games and our live games, which is that which play our parents had been placed in this era, that they yes means they would tell us, tell to us at the time we had played that game, those games, but at that time we can look what will be the fun, but now we are looking at just we are present in the four walls and just we are taking the mobile and we are playing daily.
Yes, totally, I am totally agree with you. Now this generation, they are addicted only to phone.
Yes,
they are
totally
addicted to daily. They are whole a day they are only in the game.
Yes.
But so many in the alpha generation, means our past generation, we see our parents are playing outdoor games.
Yes.
Mainly. So that time they have so strong, means they have their decision power, making power is so strong in that generation, and having playing the outdoor games we have strong decision making power, and also we can become strong person, means
Yes,
we have muscular power.
yes, as you told that this is the example of playing, and after playing these games, we can do the proper practice exercise that is very beneficial for us. Friends, suppose we are playing the games, we are giving this time to we are to giving the time is to games that will be helpful in our also study. Like we can grow our concentrate power in the game, and that we should have to maintain the routines of our game, like we are doing study daily, but we have to give the minimum time to playing chess as like 1 hour to 2 hours.
But that all the online, due to online game, we have all the disadvantages.
Yes, it is the addictions of today.
Yes, that's too addicted to this only, not only other generation.
Yes. So, friends, we have to tell after to you. We are everyone playing games, but not the online games. We should play the outdoor games and with our friend circles. Like you are playing, so you should take the 2 to 3 friends of our neighbors, of our school friends, tuition friends. Means at the time you can do the more fun. I think this is enough for us. So thank you.